Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter K. Capital K, little k. What words begin with K? Key, K-E-Y. Key begins with the letter K. Most keys are used to unlock something. It could be a door or a secret. Keys unlock many things. Knapweed. K-N-A-P-W-E-E-D. The word knapweed also begins with the letter K. However, in this case, the K is silent. Knapweed is an invasive weed. What is invasive? It means it grows lots and lots where people do not want it to. Kestrel. K-E-S-T-R-E-L. A small hawk that has the ability to hover in midair. Kestrels can hover when hunting. Oh, look! I think he saw something. What sound does the letter K usually represent? K. Can you say K? Very good. K, the 11th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.